Hello. What a beautiful nature is accompanying me here. We have a beautiful bird here. Oh, so nice, so lovely. Oh, so wonderful. I'm blessed to have this bird visiting me just here in my short moment of resting. May we continue taking good care of nature so that nature can take good care of us. Yeah, and now I understand why St. Francis of Assisi was so friendly with birds and animals, because these are part of our creation. They are creatures that make our life beautiful. Look at this bird. So lovely, so peaceful. It came from all over the place just to come and be here. So nice, so nice, so nice. Oh, it is even singing for me. So lovely. Thank you for singing. This is so nice. I'm blessed to be in contact with nature. That's why we are all reminded, take care of nature so that nature can take care of us. Blessings, dear friends. Blessings. It's even singing for us. Oh, so beautiful.